Hey folks, my name is Alex, and in this video, we'll take a look at what Prisma Studio is and use it to manipulate data in our database. Let's jump into it. Prisma Studio is a visual database browser that provides a tabular view for you to interact with your tables as well as the relations in your database. It provides full CRUD, that is create, read, update, and delete functionality, as well as filtering, sorting, and pagination. Let's see how you can do that. Back in your project, ensure that you are in the API directory and run the npx Prisma Studio command. This will open up Prisma Studio on the browser on localhost 5555. In the default view, Prisma Studio will list all the models as well as the number of records in each model. You can navigate to the model by clicking on it. And in my case, I don't have any data, so I'll go ahead and create a few records by clicking the Add Record button and then filling out the fields. Once you're happy with the changes, hit the Save Changes button. In the event you'd like to edit a record in the database, double-click on the fields and then update the record or records that you'd like to make changes to. And then when you're ready, hit the Save Changes button that is at the top. In the event you'd like to delete a record, select the checkbox or checkboxes next to the records, and when you're ready, click the Delete Record button. A few other things that you can do with Prisma Studio include filtering, toggling fields, and paginating your data. This is especially helpful when you want to drill down to a specific subset of your data. For example, searching for a user whose salary is greater than 5,000 and a name that contains GL. While we're at it, we'll toggle the created at and updated at columns from our view. Let's see how we can do that. Let's start with the filters. Select the filters and click the Add a New Filter. Select the Name field and the Contains filter, and then provide a value, which will be GL. Then create another filter. Select the Salary column and the GTE, or greater than or equal to condition, and the value for it will be 5,000. You can already see that Prisma Studio already filters out the records that aren't relevant to our search. To toggle fields, select fields at the top and then uncheck the created at and updated at columns. And instantly you can see Prisma Studio excludes the fields from our view. One other cool thing that you can do with Prisma Studio is paginating your data. To do that, select the showing and provide a value for either take or skip. Take specifies how many records should be fetched at a time. The default is 100, and depending on what you'd like to do, you can always increase or decrease the value right here. The skip value specifies how many of the returned objects in the list should be excluded or skipped.